okay? Damn it! Who the hell is this guy?
Yeah, I'm Carl.
What do you want, Carl?
To take over all of the anime universes, starting with yours.
Like how we're gonna let that happen?
Surrender now or be turned into a llama.
You can turn people into llamas?
I guess.
Is that your quirk?
I guess.
How does that work? Do you
Oh my god, you really are a nerd.
Who cares how his quirk works? I'm putting an end to this guy right now! Kanchan, wait! Don't tell me what to do!
Llama power activate.
You ain't turning me into a Kanchan! Deku, I got turned into a llama!
That's kind of